Meow, I'm hungry.
Meowed Kit Kat.
Bring me some food.
So Mom gave her 1 can of cat food. Then, in one great big giant gulp, Kit Kat gobbled it all up.
Gulp.
But soon after,
Meow, meow, I'm hungry.
meowed Kit Kat.
Bring me some food.
So Mom gave her 2 cans of cat food. Then, in 2 great big giant gulps, Kit Kat gobbled it all up.
Gulp, gulp.
But soon after,
Meow, meow, I'm hungry.
meowed Kit Kat.
Bring me some food.
By now, Mom was getting tired, so she gave Kit Kat 4 cans of cat food.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Then, in 4 great big giant gulps, Kit Kat gobbled it all up.
Gulp, 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 gulp.
But soon after,
Meow, meow, I'm hungry.
meowed Kit Kat.
Bring me some food.
This time, Mom gave Kit Kat 6 cans of cat food and said,
That's enough.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Then, in 6 great big giant gulps, Kit Kat gobbled it all up.
Gulp, 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 gulp.
But soon after,
Meow, meow, my belly hurts.
meowed Kit Kat.
Bring me to the vet.
But Mom couldn't pick her up. So Dad got a wheelbarrow. And off to the vet they went.
The end. Hope you like this story. Click here to see all my newest videos. Or click here to see these videos.